In this lesson, we're going to take care of something that is very strange in our application. Right now, if I want to delete a tag, let me just show you this. We have tags right now, and this tag is attached to two posts. If I delete this tag, it just gets deleted just like that. And if I come to my database, check out the post tags table, give it a refresh, you can see that the tag's ID is actually still here. Okay, which means that when the tag is deleted, the associations do not go away, and this is going to cause crashes in the application in future. Same thing with a category. If I come right now and delete this category, which is attached to two posts, it's just being deleted. And if we come right here to the post table, you can see the category ID is still there in the post table. So this is really bad, and you have to take care of it. So the way we are going to take care of it is in the categories controller. When we're about to delete a category, we're going to check if it has any post. And if it has, then we're going to flash a message and say error. So we're going to say if category post count is greater than 0, then session flash this message error, and we're going to say category cannot be deleted because it has some post. Then we're going to return redirect back. Okay, so this is what we want. We prevent the category from being deleted if there is a post count, and probably maybe if we want to show the user the number of category of posts that are there, we can show that in the flash message, but that's fine. Then let's go to the tags controller and we'll do exactly the same thing. So before deleting a tag, we're going to say if tag count or tag post count, so the number of posts for this tag is greater than 0, then we're going to session flash error, and here we're going to say tag cannot be deleted because it is associated to some post. Okay, then we're going to return redirect back. So if we come right now, visit the tags page, you can see the tags count right there. If we try to delete, it's going to do this, but it's going to give us a flash message. Tag cannot be deleted because it's associated with some post. Awesome. So you can go ahead and do something like hide this button, but I think it's more obvious when the user sees this message as such, instead of seeing the delete button completely hidden. Okay, so it's your choice. So if we go to categories, let's just go ahead and add a category. We have WordPress. And then if I come right now, you can see it has 0, so we can delete it. But let's go to our post. You can see we have an error on the post because we are trying to access a category that does not exist. This is exactly what I told you, because the category ID is still in the post table, but the category has been deleted completely from the database. So let's just go ahead and fix our database. But to fix this, you just need to run your migrations, refresh the whole thing, and start from scratch. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the ID of the category ID right here to 5. Change this to 5 also. Okay, and you can do this in production, right? Of course. And now looks like we're fine. So if we go to the categories, we can see it's associated to 2 posts. If we delete, you can see category cannot be deleted because it has some posts. And this is awesome. So this is the protection we want in our application. Thank you so much for watching.